Welcome to Insight Builder channel, Big Data learners, Linux learners, and my dear friends. Configuring single node Hadoop cluster, installation setup, introduction video. We have been following this series of steps to build our own big data single node Hadoop cluster, and in the series of earlier videos, we have completed the steps 1 to 4. If you are new coming to this video directly through Google search or YouTube search, then I would suggest that take a look at my other series of, take a look at my channel for the playlist Build Your Own Big Data Cluster, and you will find the rest of the videos already uploaded there, so you can get an overview of what is going on. And in fact, the process, going back to the presentation, the entire process of setting up the basement of the big data cluster has been completed. So take a look at the earlier video before you start working on this video and the next series of video. What we are going to do in this video and the next series of video is that we are going to download the Hadoop Hive Spark 3 and Postgres Docker clusters related cluster related software, and we are going to initiate installation and configuration. So this is going to take considerable amount of effort and time. Ensure that your basic setup is already done, like getting the sign up into AWS or Azure or Google Cloud platform, getting the compute and installing Linux and Python, etc. into the virtual instance. Ensure that it is already done. What actions we are going to take in this video and this series of videos is that we are going to download Hadoop Hive and Spark executables from the Apache Foundation website. We will initiate Hadoop file system installation and then ensure that the installation is done properly. Complete the Hive installation and ensure that the Hive installation is done properly. Then go to Spark and PySpark installation, and then finally configure JupyterLab. These are the series of steps we will do. After this, we will be able to get to work on our own big data cluster and execute Spark scripts, and also connect the cluster with other clusters, databases, and various services as you wish, and do projects. That is the main intention of this series of videos. So in the ecosystem, we will be working on this part of the ecosystem: Hadoop, Spark, and Python installation, working on the file system, query engine, and programming part. Working on this, the supporting applications like Hadoop user interface experience and Presto will be taken up later, because that is a very different challenge to solve. So we are going to take it separately. But our concentration will be on getting the single node Hadoop cluster up and running in this series of videos that we are looking at. And this, as I told, is a series of videos, and it is geared towards helping you to practice and ensure that the earlier steps you have already completed, so that you can take the journey of building your own big data cluster forward. Also, do subscribe to my channel, so as the new videos are uploaded, you will get the update, the notification in your YouTube dashboard. And do share and like this video, so that I will know that this video is helpful for my viewers. With this, guys, have a great time till the next video. Till then, practice, 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 practice. See you.